So, you're probably wondering, how do you make microwave popcorn? Well, in this video, I'm going to be teaching you. First, you unbox this from this wrapper. You got this little bag. This little paper bag. And you need to put it in the microwave. For 3 minutes, exactly. There. 3 minutes. We'll just come back to that. Let's play some Minecraft while it's getting ready, or let's watch some YouTube. By the way, I love my mouse. And thank you for the compliment. Thank you for saying my mouse is lovely. You didn't say that? Oh, you're an idiot then. Okay, let's open YouTube. Okay, let's watch. What do we watch? We watch Ian Boggs.
Anyone have name ideas? We're running out of time. I don't, but there is an imposter among us. That's sus, but genius among us. Robert, do you have any name ideas? Oh, sorry, I was busy playing with these blocks. Rob, blocks? Thank you, Roblox. Chat, we need a name. What are you doing? I'm talking to the bird. Chirp, chirp, mother clucker. That is one angry bird. Chat, we don't have time for any other ideas. Angry birds.
Let's watch, Wisp. Just some YouTube watching with the popcorn. You can hear it in the background. Cat. When did you do face reveal or 50 subs for favorite face reveal? 50 subs. 50 subs.
Oh man, I really can't be bothered to mine. If only I could just look at blocks and get them, that'd be so easy. I could just look at this iron and... Wait, what is happening? This is Minecraft, but you get every block you look at. Oh, this is another weird idea. In this video, I've made it so that every time you look at a block, you get that block. This could be absolutely anything from dirt all the way up to bedrock. The question is whether I can beat the game whilst constantly gaining blocks. Can I do it? Stay tuned to find out. And apparently only a small percentage of people who watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you do enjoy this video, then please be sure to subscribe. It is completely free and you can always change your mind later. Also, be sure to leave a like to help with the YouTube algorithm. Alright, enjoy the video. And we are in! Now I'm looking around, I'm not collecting blocks, so I just run the command, look, get block, add wisp, boom! I've done it. If I look at blocks, oh! Oh my goodness, what? I'm getting so many blocks just from looking around. Okay, if I look at... There's a village over there! But if I look at wood and just keep... Wait, I don't have to break anything. What? And wait for it. Boom! We've got a stack of wood. I'm gonna annoy so many of you right now and make 58 crafting tables. And we're gonna have so much food because of the hay bales. Yes! Wait! No. I'm looking at water. Wait. Ah! No.
Okay, we'll
no.
pause this. And the popcorn's ready. You heard that ding. So it is time. First, I know I'm short. Let's get a bowl. Warning, there's a lot of popcorn, so you're gonna need a second bowl, or you can need one of those big glass bowls. There we go, we got our 2 bowls. Now we just open the microwave and you look, it's like a balloon. No cuts, because I'm a child, I don't know how to edit. It's magic. Now we take music, scissors, not music, what? And one sec, I need something to... Let's take this bag. And we go cut it. Cut it. And now that we got our hole, look at all that marvelous popcorn. Now let's just pour it in. Oops, make it a little. And just make it a little even. Just take this and throw it in the